Ever wonder if checking in online is worth it when you have hold luggage? You might think you have to wait in the long traditional check-in lines, but that is a major mistake. Checking in online before you head to the airport is the best way to secure your seat early and breeze through the terminal. Instead of standing in a crowded, full-service line, you can head straight to a dedicated bag drop counter once you arrive. These lines significantly faster, often cutting your wait time by more than half. Remember, checking in online is your digital pass to efficiency, but it does not change the physical deadlines for your bags. Even if you are already checked in, you must ensure your hold luggage is tagged and dropped off well before your flight, typically at least 60 minutes before departure. Arriving at the airport 2 to 3 hours early remains the gold standard for stress-free travel. If you show up too late, the baggage system may lock you out, regardless of your online check-in status. Keep your digital boarding pass handy, watch for the bag drop signs, and enjoy a much smoother journey to your gate.